Today we will try to recreate as many stands as possible within 6 hours. The last challenge was already quite tough. I wonder how this one is going to be. Before we move on with the rules, I wanted to inform you that you can grab a free copy of my One Piece game guide in the description. This PDF is not only applicable for One Piece games, do not worry, you can also use it for your JoJo games too, because it mainly contains tips and strategies to work more productively and efficiently as a Roblox developer. Now, let's move on with the rules. So, the first one is that I need to create the stand model. The second one is that I need to create a stand equip and unequip system. The third one is that I need to create at least 3 moves. And the last one is that I'm not allowed to use any stuff from the toolbox. If you're interested in seeing more content like this, then like, comment, subscribe, and turn on the bell. If you want to create a JoJo game by yourself, then check out the playlists about the JoJo stuff on my channel. Now, with that being said, let's get into the challenge, guys. As you can see, the timer in the top right corner already goes off. Now, I've decided to recreate the world. I try to make it look similar to the one from YBA. I'm modeling the model in Blender right here. Once we are done with modeling, I will export all of the single stand body parts into Roblox Studio. The raw footage of the stand model creation was around 2.5 hours. Now, without any further ado, let's move on with importing all of the stuff into Roblox Studio, guys. I created multiple mesh parts, uploaded each stand body part to each mesh part and moved it to each body part of a dummy. Later on, I had to create weld constraints in each mesh part to weld it to the dummy's body part. After finishing this process, I had the idea to create glowing eyes for the world. I was too lazy to open up Blender and create a mesh within a few minutes. I chose to use Roblox parts and various unit operations to form those eyes instead, and doing so literally took around 15 more minutes than it would have usually took. What I am doing right here is that I'm creating the stand equip and unequip system. The idea is easy. Once you press a button, your stand comes out of you. Once you press it again, it goes back inside of you. In between each movement, it either fades out or it fades in. Now, we are finally starting with the creation of the moves. Due to the time pressure, the moves weren't really what they are supposed to look like. The first move is the knife throw move. The knife model was not made in Blender but in Roblox Studio. I don't know why, but I seem to be completely lazy at that day. Anyways, this move makes the world throw a knife. It isn't really that special, to be honest. The next move is the time stop move. What happens once it is used is that the user receives a dark filter. The stand moves in front of the user with opened arms and circle shockwaves come out of the stand. In terms of effects, this move is not that great, to be honest, as well, but as I've told you, I had time pressure. At least it is able to stop others from moving and the knives from flying, so it fulfills its purpose. The last move is the road roller move. And once again, I was too lazy to use Blender to model this road roller. I used Roblox Studio's unit operations once again and lost a lot of time. But yeah, apart from that, the move is pretty basic. The world spawns with a road roller and slams it to the ground in front of you. Nothing too special as well in terms of the effects. Yeah guys, so this is the final result. Thanks for watching this all the way to this point. These types of videos are a shit ton of work, and you can express your gratitude by leaving a like, a comment, and subscribing. As I've told you already, if you're interested in tips and strategies for Roblox developers, check out the free PDF in the description. With that being said, see ya guys.